CNC lathe machine where the workpiece or part is cleansed and rotated by the spindle, while the cutting tool is installed and moves in various CNC lathes are generally used for manufacturing process of foreign goods, where the workpiece is cut and rotated and the cutting tool is positioned for the outer diameter and inner diameter operation process, for example shaft and pivots. This CNC lathe is suitable for both of the symmetry and circular shaft and shaft that can be gripped on the spindle. Lathes have been used since 19th century and are considered to be one of the backbones of the manufacturing sector. Unlike their predecessor, today CNC lathes are much more sophisticated and automatic. CNC lathes are widely used in various factories and companies around the world and are used for various functions and use. To better understand its machine and how you can use it, we will start new series on the basic CNC machine. CNC lathe function. Part of CNC. CNC lathe generally used for manufacturing process of foreign goods, where the workpiece is cut and rotated and the cutting tool positioned for the outer diameter and inner diameter operation process, such as for example shaft and pipes. Part of a CNC lathe. Machine bed, main spindle, sub spindle or second spindle, cogs, widoway, headstock, tailstock, tool storage. Programming on a CNC lathe. 1. Turn the switch towards on the rear panel of the engine, or usually most engine on or off. Switches are located behind the engine. 2. Release the emergency stop button and the control panel by turning it the right. 3. Press the on button on the control panel. 4. Wait for the control display to start, which usually lasts for a few seconds. 5. Press the machine 0 button. Press the X axis and Z axis buttons, or buttons away from the spindle direction. On the control, return the machine 0 point on X axis. 6. The CNC lathe is ready to operate. CNC lathes are widely used in various factories and companies around the world and are used various functions and use. For those who are just entering the industrial world, the abundance of variety, seizure and specialization in the use of CNC or computer numerical control machines used in the manufacturing process and give you from starting a lathe. Thank you.